Hello friends, welcome back to another new video. So I have recorded this to share with you how to do network marketing or what is the day-to-day operation in this business. So before we begin, let me know if you're doing great out there and afraid your family are doing good as well. So let's first discuss with the problem in other business and jobs. Let's say you want to start your business in your locality, and what are the things that you need to encounter or you need to have. First thing, you need to have a place of operations, then you need to have capital, then you need to manage products, then last, sales and marketing. And we all know the success of any business depend on sales and marketing. And what about jobs? We are living in a country where there are lots of population, so unemployment is not that easy to cope up with, right? So there are lots of unemployment out there. Now what do we do then? So the ultimate solutions, or we can say network marketing, is a perfect solution to this. Now you might wonder, what is network marketing then? And you might also wonder, who am I to discuss with you this? So my name is Dor Singh Senar. I have 4-year experience in this business. I've been doing this business since 2018. So network marketing is just like any other form of business. But the only difference is here, the company allow you to focus only in one thing. And you can treat this as your personal business. There's a company, they have the place of operations, they manage all the capitals and they manage the products as well. So our job as a businessman in network marketing is to do sales and marketing. So for us, as a general people, it is a lot easier for us to focus in one thing rather than focusing in all those different aspects. Like you need to look for a place, you need to have capital, you need to manage lots of products. So that's a burden, right? So this is network marketing. And now you have decided, or you want to know how to do this business. But first of all, I would like to ask you, why do you want to do business? Because when you understand your why, it will be easier for you to focus on the business. Let's say in my case, I do this business because of its work flexibility or the timing flexibility. You can do this business from anywhere. You can, whether you are a businessman or whether you are in job, you can do this business. Because this business can be done through YouTube marketing, or we call attraction marketing. Right, I'm making right now. This is a marketing video for you. I'm sharing what I am doing and what I know. And in this way, trust will be built with the viewers or whoever wants to do this business, right? So once you are clear with your why, the first step is you need to look for a good company. After that, you need to create your business ID by producing one of your Aadhaar card and bank details. That's it. Very simple. So I hope I'm clear discussing with you on this topic. If you want to learn more and for business partnership, you can contact me. Here is my WhatsApp number. And if you're watching my channel for the first time, make sure you subscribe so that you can get daily updates. I upload almost one video every day. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you soon.